Nityanandam. After graduating from Inner Awakening, have you wondered, how do I retain the same bliss and experience of Inner Awakening throughout my life? Have you wondered, how do I hold the same inspiration in the so-called real world when the reality hits? What can I do to live and radiate the teachings I learned in Inner Awakening? If you have been pondering over all these questions, be rest assured we heard you. And for the very first time, Swamiji is inaugurating a process, a program, exclusively for Inner Awakening graduates, the Living Enlightenment Process. And today I am here to share with all of you 108 reasons why you, as an Inner Awakening graduate, should participate in the Living Enlightenment Process. So now we get into the 108 reasons for participating in the Living Enlightenment Process. First and foremost, to continue to live and radiate the same bliss and experience of Inner Awakening throughout your life. And who would not want to spend more time with Swamiji? You get to live and learn to live the space of Advaita. You get to experience various dimensions of Swamiji outside of Inner Awakening. It's a beautiful checkpoint to see whether you are aligned to the true purpose of your life. An opportunity to get established back into the space of completion. To allow the Master, Swamiji, to constantly guide you as you create your reality. LEP provides a beautiful support structure of like-minded people, the Inner Awakening graduates, to ensure that you are successful in living the teachings. You get to learn to live and radiate the teachings you learned in the Inner Awakening program. To live in Advaita with your life teamily. LEP helps in causing your reality and helps you in causing others' reality. You get to learn why sometimes you go back to your old patterns of pain and suffering. In Inner Awakening, you learn the teachings, and Living Enlightenment Process is an opportunity where you live the teachings. You get to integrate Swamiji's teachings as you go back and live in the outer world. In Inner Awakening, you for sure experienced a tangible shift in quite a few dimensions of your life, but you may be struggling with a few others. In LEP, you learn why you are still struggling and what you should do to come out of it. You inspire your life teamly also to learn and live the signs of completion. In LEP, you get to practice Advaita in motion and not just as a theory or teaching. It helps you go further in your spiritual path and not just stagnate where you are. You remove myths about the spiritual and material worlds being at odds. In LEP, you remind yourself of the clicks you experienced during the Inner Awakening program. You get to be directly connected to the main source of teachings consciously. In LEP, you allow Swamiji to constantly guide you as you work on creating your reality. Now in the LEP process, there is a way to have continued platform and a safe environment for you to experience the spiritual cosmic truths. LEP, the Living Enlightenment Process, is a space for applying the teachings in day-to-day life and grow spiritually. You get to be benefited by the daily practice of completion with yourself and with others in your life. You get to learn from other Inner Awakening graduates their experiences on how they have applied the teachings of Inner Awakening in their lives. You get to be in the company of Swamiji and his devotees who are practicing living Advaita, which keeps you aligned to live and radiate your peak possibility. You get up to date with Swamiji's teachings as they are shared in the LEP process. You get to learn how to enrich yourself and the people around you effectively. Learn to be effective and efficient co-creators of your personal reality and others' realities. In LEP, you make the teachings become a part of your muscle memory and ultimately your biomemory by repeated learning and constant practice. You complete with the incompletions that you may have about integrating the teachings of inner awakening in your life. You may have doubts on how it will work, maybe fears or even hesitation to apply it in your regular life. You prepare yourself to deal with real-world challenges. In LEP, you get to make a conscious resolution to prioritize enriching as a spiritual process to enrich yourself. You understand that you have a very powerful support network that you can use to cause your reality. It's time for you to check back and realign yourself to the four tattvas of integrity, authenticity, responsibility, and enriching. You can clarify your doubts when you apply the teachings of inner awakening in your day-to-day life, and that is the main purpose of the living enlightenment process. You identify where you are stuck or stagnating in your life and get to unlock yourself. You have the support of the team lead and the conducive environment of the highest possibility in every dimension of your life. You remind yourself that whatever conflicting situations you face in life is nothing but your own pattern or incompletions coming up, and you get to complete with all of these. You get to ensure continuous completion with your SDHD, your self-doubt, denial, and hatred patterns. You understand from the space of Advaita the connection between enriching and self-completion. You understand how to enrich in all areas of your life, not just spirituality. In the living enlightenment process, you learn to cause others' reality. More importantly, at the level the others are at. Deepen the connection between Swamiji and you. Make instant completion a reality in your lives. Redefine and realign yourself to the four authentic images. In LEP, as you live the science of completion and Advaita, you get to express and radiate the extraordinary powers inside you. You realize your greatness, your power of completion. You understand how enriching leads to your own completion. You learn to remove the unconscious incompletions that may be hidden in you. You learn to teach the science of completion to others in your life. In LEP, you get to be established in the space of authentic listening towards yourself, others, and life itself. You get to stop life from happening to you so that you can start happening to life. You get to live an extraordinary life by just practicing the teachings of Advaita. In LEP, you get to become effective leaders of your own lives. To imbibe and radiate the cosmic truths that Swamiji shares is one of the main purposes of the living enlightenment process. You get into the habit of continuous growth. As you reconnect to the teachings, initiations from the comfort of your own city. LEP ensures excellence in the outer world as a result of your inner awakening. Inner awakening is making you believe you are a lion. LEP is morphing you into a lion itself. It reminds yourself that you are a space creator, not just action doer. LEP process will make you recollect the transformations you have gone through in inner awakening and restore your confidence and trust in this process and the powerful signs. You get to identify and dissolve the vasanas that limit the space of possibility and makes you live and operate from the space of possibility in everything you do in your life. LEP helps clear misconceptions and incompletions which you may develop as you try to integrate back the teachings of inner awakening in your life. It helps you maintain and retain the inspiration created in inner awakening through powerful initiations. LEP avoids the natural decay of the state of yoga created in inner awakening. It helps you continue to enjoy the feeling connection, the umbilical cord with the cosmos. As life happens, it is natural that you may face triggers for incompletions. LEP ensures you retain the space of completion even in those situations by constantly practicing the science of completion. It helps you align yourself to the true purpose of your life, makes you live enlightenment as an experience in your life. That makes LEP the best life insurance. It helps you establish yourself in the space of Advaita, oneness with all people and all areas in your life. Inner awakening is for sure the ultimate experience, but not final. LEP makes this ultimate experience an eternal experience in your life. You get to unwrap new gifts from the Master. You discover more about yourself so that you experience Advaita with more extensions of you in your life teamily. You experiment with the peak potential of your field through the powerful science of Advaita. You experiment Advaita as a fun, joyful experience that you share with many others in your life. You experiment with the joy of life is for others. Align yourself to the authentic self, which is constantly and continuously changing. Thereby, you expand yourself to your peak potential, completing with the fear of your bigness. You get to learn the science behind Kalpavriksha, the wish-fulfilling tree. You learn to achieve the goals you want to achieve in your life, be it in your career, finance, or even in relationships. In LEP, you become a part of a strong global spiritual community, the Nityananda Sangha, which reminds you constantly as you slip into incompletions and helps you come back to the powerful space of completion. It helps you constantly expand and grow your toolkit of resources to help you practice perpetual completion that you learned in Inner Awakening. Learn more and more techniques and ways to help others learn and practice the science of completion. You ensure to maintain peak health by tapping into your body's natural intelligence whenever your health takes a dip. In LEP, you learn to live what you learned and practiced in Inner Awakening, and ultimately live enlightenment itself. You get to participate in regular, exciting and live meetings with Swamiji, either in person or online, depending on where you are. You get to discover unknown dimensions of yourself during the intense training processes. You get to be a part of an exclusive network of Inner Awakening graduates who are just like you and experiencing many of the same things you do in life. Not just that, you get to be a part of a rapidly growing spiritual movement led by Swamiji that is and will change the world for the better for many years to come. And as everything Swamiji offers, LEP is simply fun. You get to be aligned and authentic with your 4 identity images: your inner image, outer image, others image, and life image. You get to become a teacher. You will receive training on how to formally teach others the powerful science of completion so that you can help suffering of others and ultimately suffering in the world itself. You get to face the stark reality of life head-on with the spiritual experiences taught in Inner Awakening and expanded up in the living enlightenment process. You learn to hold the same inspiration in the so-called real world when the reality hits. You get to maintain the beautiful friendships you established during the Inner Awakening. It helps you identify and complete any incompletions you have discovered but unable to complete yourself, and helps you from not being caught up in the mad rat race of the world. It creates a beautiful ambience and a safe space where you can face your own incompletions and expand more and more into the space of completion. You get to celebrate your own life and have others join the celebration as we experience life as an eternal celebration, Nityotsava. Experience exclusive benefits to be announced specially for the Living Enlightenment Process participants during the program. And ultimately, whatever Swamiji said offers, just saying yes to Swamiji, because whatever he offers always aligns you to your authentic self. With this, I would like to welcome each and every one of you to join and sign up for the Living Enlightenment Process exclusively offered by Swamiji for the Inner Awakening graduates. And here is what we need to do to sign up for the process. Visit the webpage tiny.cc/LEP2014. I repeat again, http://tiny.cc/LEP2014. You scroll down the page and sign up for the program. Nityanandam.